Planets in the solar system. There are some objects in the solar system that can be seen with the naked eye. Planets are not always visible from Earth as they change proportion in the night sky as they orbit around the sun. This is why sometimes you may look up in the sky and see a planet, and other nights you look up and can't find that same planet you could see a different night. One thing you can always see up in the sky, though, are the stars. Stars appear in patterns and appear to move together across the sky because of Earth's rotation, making them useful for navigation. That's why they are helpful at night at campsites for people to find their way back to the campsite, find their way back to the vehicle, or sometimes just find their way back home. The sun is a star. It is the only star in our solar system. Planets, such as planet Earth, orbit around the sun. The moon orbits around the Earth as it changes its phases. The smallest planet is Mercury, and the largest planet is Jupiter. The radius is a straight line from the center to the circumference of a circle or sphere. As you look, Jupiter has the biggest radius, being the biggest planet. The radius is measured from the middle of Jupiter to the outside of Jupiter's edge in a straight line. Jupiter has a radius of 43,441 miles. It is also the furthest from the Sun, with 483.8 million miles in between. The period of rotation is the time that it takes to complete one revolution around its axis of rotation. As you look, many of the planets differ from one another. Pluto is a dwarf planet. We used to consider Pluto the 9th planet. We now only have 8 planets. But Pluto, just like the other planets, is just a little bit smaller. Or maybe much smaller. The Sun is a star at the center of our solar system. It has a radius of 432.288 miles. That's a big star.